Hello, welcome back to 911 Scales. Today you're joining me again for another What's in the Box video, and you can see it already. There are a lot of models we have to unpack, guys, and this What's in the Box video is special because all of these models, these aren't my models, no, these are your models, the models you've ordered at Porsche's latest model car sale. And yeah, what's that all about will be the topic of this video. And to you who's tuned in for the very first time, thank you very much for doing so. My name is Michael here at 911 Scales. It's all about Porsche and their model cars. If you're interested in this, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. So guys, these are all the models you've ordered. I've got the list here from the Porsche Design Store. In total, 31 models worth 1,700 euros. So this sale was kind of a secret sale. They have this website here in Germany protected with a password. I don't know why they made it also secretive, but yeah. I was happy to share it with you guys on Instagram, and all these models came together from just one single Instagram story. So this is pretty much all the models you've ordered within 24 hours. And yeah, I have the list here. We've got 31 models. Let me go through the list. So we've got a Panamera Turbo, which is up here. Then we have a Panamera Turbo Executive. We have two Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Executive. And then to my right, we have two GT3s from the 24-hour Nürburgring from the 2018 race, a race where I was actually present. Then we have six 919 Hybrid promo versions from the 2017 Le Mans race. Then we have a single Dempsey Proton Racing 911 RSR. Then we have two, these are those here, Project 1 911 RSR, 3 down below here, Gulf Racing RSR, and then we are coming to 4 Rodman's 911 RSR from the 2018 Le Mans race, and then the 118 scale models. We have a single GT3 Touring package in red, then we have 5 911 Turbo S exclusive series in agate gray, and then we have 3 white Weissach package GT3 RS. And guys, these models were all so damn cheap. Just one example, this exclusive series costs only 99 euros at that sale, just an amazing price. The 919s cost only 19 euros, so you guys saved a lot of money. And yeah, I'm very happy to help you guys out. As I told you, I'm not earning anything on this sale. I'm just happy to help you to participate in that sale. And yeah, I will have to do a lot of packaging after this video, because obviously I will have to send all these models to you guys, which are over the whole of Europe. And yeah. And with that, I will also make another video how to pack your model car safely, which will be up also in the upcoming days. And yeah, so let me show you what models we have here. There are a lot of models I've never had on my own. So let's get started with the Patrick Dempsey 911 RSR. Made by Spark and limited to 2018 pieces. Let me show it to you a bit nearer to the camera. There it is. It has this amazing livery from the Proton Dempsey racing team. It looks awesome. And these models were new, 65 euros, and costed in this sale only 35 euros. Here it is, looks wonderful with this very nice Gulf livery. Love this livery very much. And here it is, has also a very cool livery with this yellow black livery on top. Looks also really cool. And also limited to 2018 pieces. Also limited to 2018 pieces in that year. For that year, Porsche produced so many models from the 911 racers. But yeah, this is the legendary Grello, the winner of the 2018 24 hours of the Nürburgring race. Here we have it. This is very similar to the black GT3 RS Weissach package I already reviewed. Link to that review is down in the description below. Make sure to check that video out if you haven't already. And this is actually a really cool model. For only 149 euros, this is an amazing value. Before the sale, these traded for around 200 euros. So quite a significant saving, right? These are made by Herpa, and even though the outside of the models is not in the best quality, the interior of these from Herpa is always very nice and better than on Mini Champs, but the exterior is not the best, and these were also only 19 euros, and this executive one was 25 euros. But for that price, these are very nice models. There's a two-tone interior in gray and in black, and there's even carbon fiber accents and all that stuff. Really nice interior. But the exterior could be a bit nicer, especially the wheels. So this would be the most expensive Panamera you could buy, the top of the line Turbo SE Hybrid, and then as a long wheelbase version, as an executive version. These would be in real life roughly 250,000 euros. And this has this very solid white spec and also a very nice interior. But these look also extremely nice, made by Spark. Here it is. I have to say, this thing looks also very nice. Reminds me a lot of the 919 Hybrid Evo I reviewed. And I like this scale way more than the huge 112 scale. But yeah, if you want to see that review, it's also linked down in the description below. And then last, the final 143 scale model, the best I would say. The Rodmans Edition 911 RSR from the 2018 Le Mans race, which raced together with the Pink Pig of that year. And this here is a very nice model, looks just awesome. And so guys, the next 118 scale model, you know it already if you're a subscriber of my channel, because I reviewed this one in detail. The link is also down in the description below. The Guards Red 911 GT3 Touring, limited to 911 pieces. And this is overall a very nice model. Only the interior could be a bit more detailed, but for the price of also only 149 euros, this is a great buy. And then the final model you ordered. You guys ordered 5 of those. This here is the 911 Turbo S Exclusive Series in a Gate Gray. And you know it already if you're also a subscriber. Because of this one I also made a proper review. And it's an amazing model. And for only 99 euros guys, this is the most amazing deal I've ever seen so far. Because the interior on this one is just amazing. If you haven't already, make sure to check out the review. I will also link it down below. And with that, these are all the models you guys ordered, which is a lot of models, right? 31 models. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 1/18 scale models, and the rest is all 143. And I'm so surprised that you guys wanted so many 919 hybrids, but for the price of 19 euros, I completely understand that. And yeah, now I have to package them all up and ship them to you guys. And as I said, I'm very happy to help you guys out. And if you don't want to miss the next sale, which yeah, I will guess that there will be a next sale in the future, make sure to also follow me on Instagram. I will post it there in my story. And I'm always happy also to help you guys out with some other model cars. Just contact me via email or via Instagram, for example, and I see what I can do. Yeah, that's it for this video. Tune in next time when we're exploring the Porsche world in 911 scales again. Thank you very much. Allah, ciao.